Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the document you want to convert. Click File, then Page Setup to open orientation and margin controls. Choose the paper size first so layout scales correctly, for example, letter or A4. Next, select Landscape under Orientation. This flips width and height immediately. Once done, decide whether to apply the change to the whole document or from this point forward for a section. Make sure to save or note current margins before you continue. Now address content that may break when the page rotates. You'll need to resize images and tables so they don't overflow. Drag corners while holding Shift to keep proportions. Once done, check headers and footers, reposition page numbers and header text so they align on the wider edge. If you use columns, go to Format Columns and adjust spacing to match landscape width. Also inspect line breaks and page breaks. Move or remove manual breaks so text flows cleanly across the new layout. Finish by reviewing every page and print layout. You want consistent margins and no clipped content. If something looks off, open File Page Setup and revert to Portrait, then reapply Landscape after correcting offending elements. If the change doesn't save, make sure you have edit permissions, then clear your browser cache or try another browser. Extension conflicts can prevent UI updates. Finally, export a PDF to verify printing layout. This step confirms what will actually print or distribute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.